So if your requirement is to increase the volume of an existing EBS volume, so you please do follow the steps. So click on actions, modify volume and increase the volume to 10 GB. So it's based upon your requirement. If you want to increase to 50 GB also, that is possible. See here, the minimum they given it as 1 GB and maximum 16.384. So based upon your requirement, increase the size. Click on modify. So now if I refresh the page, you see that the volume has been increased to 10 GB. And one thing here is, as you increase the volume from the console, it won't be increased in the file system. I mean in the EC2 server file system. As so, we can't use the increased volume. But to use the increased volume, you need to follow the below steps what I'm telling now. So click on instance, click on connect to the EC2 instance. First thing here, we need to check the list of blocks and its partition using lsblk command. Now try to be as root user. And give this command called lsblk. So using this, we can able to find out the blocks and we are going to find out the partitions also. See here, we have this XPDA device or a disk which has 3 partitions, 127 and 128. Okay, and here we are going to extend the partition of this 8 GB. Okay, so as I need to resize the partition, I'm going to use a command called grow part. Using this command, I'm going to extend this first partition. So, and one more thing, I want to find out like what in where it was mounted. So if I give df-h, I see it used a file system dev/xpda1. So how going to here, I'm going to use this command called grow part /dev/xpda, and here which partition you want to extend. So here I want to extend a partition 1. So I'm going to give this 1 here. Okay. So see here, it shows changed. The partition has been changed from this old size to the new size, 29 cores, something like this. Okay. And now I want to check whether the partition has been extended or not. So I'm going to use the same command, lsblk. Here, the partition was extended. Earlier it is 8 GB. Now the partition was extended. So one more thing here is we just extended the partition. So to use it, we need to extend the file system also. So to extend the file system, first we need to check which file system it is. Okay, whether it is an XFS file system or ext4. Okay, ext4. So using this command df-ht, I'm going to find out. See, it is this XFS. So it is XFS file system. So to extend the XFS file system, we are going to use a command called xfs. XFS, keep it in small, XFS, grow, XFS underscore grow, FS -d. And one more thing, where it was mounted, it is mounted on slash. So just give that slash. Now it shows the data blocks has changed from this 202 to 6. Now I'm going to check whether the file system has been extended or not, giving this command df-h. See here, now the file system was extended to 10 GB. Okay, earlier it is 8.6. I mean total it has some 8. Okay, it changed it to 10. So now we've been seeing like how to increase the existing EBS volume from 8 GB to 10 GB.